make sure to follow Hipx Nintendo boy.
I was already coming, you bitch.
I get shot. I'm getting ox, damn it.
That's fine. You really didn't think I was coming?
I didn't know you were with us. Oh boy, this is gonna be interesting.
Just throw it back there.
Just throw it.
Say hi, JT.
Hi.
Alright. Sure you got your face mask in?
Yes, Mom.
I thought I saw it laying there, that's why I'm asking.
Attaboy.
You know where Julian lives, right?
Yeah.
What's up, Cole?
Another day in paradise, baby.
We're not going to Odin's. Not today, at least.
Chucky darn.
What's up, bitch?
It's too early for this shit.
I feel it.
The back, JT?
Huh? What, the DNC?
No, can you see?
Yeah, it's fine.
On the road, boy.
On the road.
Let's get at her.
Shout out your Insta.
At Static Bones. Your charger is in my back.
Yo, we out here in a festival. Fuck airsoft, right, guys?
Yeah, fuck this whole airsoft shit.
We're going to the fucking festival.
I do want to wonder already.
I wonder what they're selling, honestly. Yo, you think they got any airsoft guns? Okay, fuck you.
Hey, fuck you, bitch! And the club that you came with, I ain't for the bullshit!
Was that the GoPro white?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, I know. What you gotta say, Coots?
Where the fuck is that shit that I put in here?
I'll leave you to it.
No, I haven't yet. Alright, you been here before?
Nah.
Alright, you guys fill labels out?
Alrighty.
Are they all checked in?
Yeah, those two are good.
Okay.
Just hit waiver.
There's vans?
Hey man, why come on back here for a second?
You gonna touch my butthole?
Something like that.
I hope so. Someone's tickling my butthole.
Taylor was supposed to fucking bring the DNC thing and he didn't, and I can't buy it.
Hey, Marshall. What's up, Matt? And before I play this next clip, I just want to let you guys know what happened before playing this clip. So there's a festival out and we were all thirsty. We wanted to see what they had and see if the water was cheaper over there. Probably wasn't. But we ended up getting lemonade. So we were sitting out at least a good 3 to 5 games. We only got to play 2. So, and the 2 was right when we got there. I didn't even get to get any footage of this field before, well, this happened. Wait, no. Say it to the camera. Cole, what just happened? Cole, what just happened? Okay, yeah, but like what happened with JT though?
JT and Matt got perma banned.
For what? They sat for 2 games. How the we sit for 2 games and we get perma banned?
We weren't even playing, dude.
The fuck?
Walked over there and got food. And they came back and they were like,
I could tell when you were glad to shit on everyone in that game.
funny as shit. Yo, what the
JT, you fucking did it. Congrats, JT. I just want to quickly say that we did not go there to get banned. We are just joking around at this point, saying that, hey, we got banned, hooray, hurrah, just to lighten up the mood because we didn't want it to affect us. We actually went there because we cared enough to see how the field was. But they didn't respect us, and they just banned us for nothing. If you guys want, you guys can go to the podcast at 8 p.m. I'm pretty sure we're going to talk about it this Thursday. Eastern Standard Time. So it's going to be on Hipx Chungi on Twitch. So make sure to go watch the podcast on Thursday. With that being said, let's get right back into the video.
That's fucking hilarious.
Matt, what happened?
We went. All right. So you want? Is this for the vlog?
Yeah, this is for the
All right,
vlog.
all I gotta say is, we went go look at lemonade. I might have said a cuss word. I don't know. Well, we got perm banned.
So they just banned you?
Yeah, said we were overshooting in the past couple games.
I would.
But
Didn't
you
play the last 3 games.
wait, but you said that you didn't just play. Why? What?
Exactly. It's fucking shit.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, we literally are shooting at 0.9.
I'm shooting at 1.9.
I'm shooting at
1.19.
I'm 0.91.
0.9 because I'm using a high kappa.
I want you to rep
Check her out.
and staging into trash cans. So what the fuck?
Where's Coots in there? Me and Matt can go back in, so.
Wait. Let me see the tag.
It's right there. 1-1.
Easy clap.
Man, they didn't even mark me.
Oh my god. I didn't even get a full vlog of being here.
Dave, all I'd like to say is, if you check the rules, I don't think it says anything about overshooting, speed,
There was nothing
or
in
cussing.
The
I don't think any of that.
They kicked you out for cussing?
Yeah.
No, they said one
said
of us was
No, they said
What's
we were
really
cussing.
funny is I killed a dude and I could hear him scream "fuck" like 3 times. I got it on GoPro.
That was probably me.
Yeah.
And I recorded everything too. Recorded everything. Just saying.
Yeah, so the rules are going to be posted now. Okay.
Oh, that's all right. Definitely going on to Instagram.
Oh yeah, facts. You leaving?
Yeah, bro.
Because of us or no?
I mean, it's a mix between y'all left, Andrew was done, and I'm like, ain't nobody else in there, bro.
We're gonna go to Odin's if you want to meet up there.
I ain't got no more money, bro.
I can pay for you. Don't worry about it. If you wanna keep playing, I'll pay for you. I don't care.
It's good look, bro, but I'm just gonna call it a day.
All right. Well, thank you for coming out, dog,
Yeah,
with
bro.
us.
Where's the wall?
Oh, I got you, Kate.
No, you don't. We're never coming back. We're never coming back. Oh, yeah.
Where's the sign?
Gabe
They just needed a reason to ban.
Yo, that was like 2 hours. That's a record. That's WR. That's WR.
2 hours? I played 2 games. What do you mean?
I played 2 games.
Like 10, right? I didn't even get to play the first game.
JT, did you get the refund from me as well?
They just gave me it.
The fuck?
You guys gotta stop playing hard romantic.
We just stop playing hard, guys. We just need to be pussy farts.
Hey.
That's what we need to be.
You're not allowed to leave the spawn anymore.
He said we're gonna, from now on I'm gonna shoot like this.
I got 150 and
Hey, don't
Sorry.
worry. Don't worry, there was no rules about jumping over a wall shooting like that.
Let's go.
Hey. Yo, JT, where should they not come?
MK.
MK Airsoft?
Yep.
Their rules are jank. They don't even know what they're fucking doing half the time. Banned two of our players because of nothing. They were too good. This guy and Matt over there. So yeah, that was very interesting. A lot of people are now leaving. We're gonna post this and yeah. So see you at Odin's.
Wait.
Get him.
What's up, Gabe Schuster? Anyways.
Hey, make sure to follow Hipx Nintendo, boy!
Yeah. Yay!
That's how it be sometimes.
Are you gonna ban me? Why?
Leave. This man is a convicted cheater, overshooting and profanity.
This is how I shoot. No, it's not.
He had a buddy give him airsoft.
Is it? No.
Free Hipx March,
and his
free
buddy
Hipx
didn't
GT.
want it back, and he wasn't interested in selling, so he just ate it.
Pakistan #1. free Hipx March.
So I guess I'm banned at MK Airsoft as well. So I guess I can't even give myself any clout. But anyways, thank you for enjoying the video. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification button, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.